Every day, we interact with technology, from smartphones to cars, all powered by code. But what exactly is code? Welcome to Programming Fundamentals, your gateway to understanding the basics of programming, how it works, what it's for, and how it can benefit you. In this course, you'll dive into the world of coding. You'll learn not just what code is, but explore the diverse languages used to create apps, websites, and even the technology in your home. Starting with the basics, you'll understand why there are so many programming languages and how they fit together to perform specific tasks. Discover how coding influences almost every aspect of our lives, from how we connect online to the innovations in telemedicine and fintech. Each class is designed to build your skills step by step. From setting up your first development environment to writing your first line of code in Python, you'll see how coding shapes the future of industries and job roles. Join us in Programming Fundamentals and start your journey towards understanding and leveraging the power of code. Whether for work or fun, coding knowledge is an invaluable tool that opens up a world of opportunities. Enroll today and transform the way you interact with the world around you. Discover the benefits of having a fundamental understanding of programming.